Hey there, Cameron here from Winjet Automotive. Today we're going to be removing the OEM fog lights from this 2018-2020 Ford Explorer and giving it an upgrade by installing our new replacement fog lights from Winjet Automotive. Let's get started. For this install, you'll need a wedge tool or a fastener remover, a 7mm, 10mm, and 10mm swivel socket attachment. Let's go ahead and start in the front wheel well. Locate the 4 10mm bolts that are securing the outside wheel well liner. Remove them using your 10mm socket attachment. There is also a tension clip that's at the top of the wheel well. Locate and remove using your wedge tool or a fastener remover. After removing the bolt and the single clip, there are 2 more fender tension clips to detach that will give you more access to the wheel well. Locate them above the liner where the fender meets the body. You can crimp the back to detach. Next, we'll be detaching the front grille liner from the wheel well. You can locate the 2 10mm bolts up inside the wheel well. A 10mm swivel socket attachment is what we recommend using due to the small space and angle of the bolts. After removing the bolts, there is one more tension clip that will be released by crimping the back. Be sure to follow the same steps on the opposite side. Next, let's move to the top of the grille where you'll find 4 10mm bolts. Grab your 10mm socket attachment and remove the bolts. After removing the bolts, you'll find 2 plastic supports. Gently pluck the grille free with your fastener remover. For this install, we'll only need to open up the top of the grille to get access to the fog lights. Be sure to support the grille from underneath, as we won't need to fully remove the grille. After locating the 2 fog lights inside the grille, you'll find 3 7mm bolts securing the lights, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. First, let's remove the harness and power supply. Using your fastener remover, detach the harness clip. Next, disconnect the power supply from the light. We're ready to remove the light. Grab your tool with a 7mm socket attachment and remove the bolts. Once the bolts are removed, the light will be free. Follow the same steps for the opposite light. It's now time to install our new fog lights. Go ahead and fit into place. Grab your tool and secure the light into place. Next, replace the power harness to the light and secure the harness clip. Repeat for the other light. Now that the lights are reconnected, you should test before reinstalling the grille. Looking great! Time to reinstall the grille. It might be helpful to have an extra pair of hands to set the grille in the right position. After positioning the grille, we can push the bumper guard back into place. Going back underneath the wheel well, grab the two 10mm bolts and hand tighten them back into place. Grab your 10mm swivel socket and fully secure in place. Next, it's time to secure the wheel well liner, starting with replacing the tension clip at the top. Then position the liner under the fender flare. With some pressure, push back the two top fender flare clips. We're now ready to secure the four 7mm bolts to support the fender flare and liner. Finally, let's replace the four top grille bolts. Grab your 10mm socket. Drop the hood. That's it. Congrats on your new Ford Explorer fog lights from Winjet Automotive. If you like this step-by-step video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more product install videos and new future products. Thanks for checking in here at Winjet. We'll see you next time.